Hi you guys, it's Lisa. I'm coming to you today with a new video, Bogo couponing haul. So basically mostly everything that's purchased on this table was used with coupons to buy one get one free. Something was at CVS, mainly most of the products were from CVS and some from Family Dollar and other stores that was not a Bogo. So if you like the video, make sure you subscribe, say hi to me every now and then. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. The first things I want to start with is the OxyClean Arm & Hammer. These are buy one, get one free. The coupon was in your P&G for March 11th, and you still can use them because you got about 2 weeks, to use them before they expire. These was running at like $7.49, I believe, at CVS. So you buy one, you get one free. Same with the Tide. The Tide was also a buy one, get one free deal. This coupon is also for the Febreze. This coupon is also in your P&G. These are buy one, get one free for the week. You got your Herbal Essence, and these were also buy one, get one free. So you get the shampoo and conditioner, so you can get both, both of them, try it out. These are argan oil of Morocco, so should be pretty good for your hair. These were also the Unstoppable air fresheners, Febrezes, and these were also buy one get one free as well. This is also in your P&G. So for those particular items, let's see, we also got the Snuggle. That was a buy one get one free, but I think this one came out, I do believe, a week before 3/11. This one, the Snuggle, and also the Tide, so that's about 2 weeks old there. So for your buy one get one frees, those were the only things that I got with those coupons so far. I used additional coupons at CVS, for instance, like for the Colgate. They had the Colgate for $3.49, and then I used a $2 coupon on these, so that made my Colgate price $1.49. So I got 3 of these at $1.49 each. And this one was a good one, Polygrip. They sell a Polygrip for like $5.49 or $5.59 or something like that. In this week's paper, well, the Sunday's paper coupons, there was a coupon in there for $4. So that brought the Polygrip down to like $1.49. So if you know anyone that could use Polygrip, that would be a good savings for them. And let's see what else we got here. The Clorox Fragranzia, Clorox Clinging Gel, Bleach Gel, Toilet Bowl Cleaner, your regular Lysol toilet bowl cleaners. These were like three for $5. So I had, I do believe 50-cent coupons for each one of these. I didn't buy those at CVS. I actually went to one of the stores in the neighborhood because they would let me use all of my coupons at the same time. So I purchased those there. So I got 6 of those for about $7. So that's almost $1 and some change a piece. And then basically for the Olay, I just used the regular $1 off coupon. That's also in your P&G for $3.11. And at CVS, they're running like $3.99 or something like that for this week. And I used a $1 coupon off of those, so I didn't pay a whole lot for these for a change. And the whole blends, this one also, what happened with this one was these were on sale for 2 for $7. And I had a $4 extra bucks rewards for CVS, so I paid like $3 a piece. Well, $3 for both of these. Your All was on sale for $2.95, and I had a $2 coupon for the All, so I purchased this bottle of All for $1.95. So that wasn't bad. The Poisey pads, I got size 2, size 3, in different kinds. So if you know anyone that uses these are good. The Poisey pads was like, they're $6.29 a piece at our CVS here in Michigan. So I got those 3. So it brought my total to $18.87 for those. and I had $6 in coupons. So I used a $2 coupon for each pack of Poisey pads, and it brought my total to around $12.87. And I had a $4 CVS extra buck. So for those, all of those, I got them for like $8.87. But you have to think about it, they like $6.29 a piece, so it worked out pretty good. So that's pretty much this haul right here. So for this BOGO haul, I spent a total of well, the retail price would have been $180.83. I had $102 worth of coupons and CVS extra bucks rewards. So my total out of pocket was $78.83. So I think that was pretty good on this haul. Maybe I could have got it down a little bit lower, but sometimes when some of the stores here, they only let you use a certain amount of coupons. You can't use 3 coupons for the same item, or the coupon won't go through, or different things like that. So I think I did pretty good so far. So that's just basically to show you this haul here. I just call it my buy one get one free couponing haul, and if you like it, please like it down below. And thank you for watching. Have a good day.